Hello students, welcome to class 8 Max. We are going to see the third chapter algebra. In this exercise 3.1, find the product of the terms. Before going to the exercise, first see the multiplication, rules of multiplication of signs. Plus into pluses plus, minus into minuses plus. Like sign means positive, unlike sign minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. So while multiple the terms, you have to multiple the sign. Like sign means positive, unlike sign means negative. Now your first question, find the product of the term. Minus 2mn. If you see here 2m, the whole power 2 they given. So according to the law of exponent, you have to multiple the power with the base. 2 power 2, m power 2 minus 3mn. Bring the constant together. Into 2 power 2 is 4 into minus 3. And variables together. If you see here, two variables are there. So bring the same variable m into m square into m, then n into n. Now if you multiple 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 12, minus and minus is plus. Like terms means, like signs means you have to write plus, minus into minus is plus. Then m, according to the laws of exponent, if multiplication symbol is there, you have to add the powers. So m power, if no power is there, you have to assume as 1. So m power 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then n power 1 plus 1 is 2. Next question. Bring the constant together. 3 into minus 3. Then variables together. X square into x square. Then y into y cube into y square. So here 3 3s are 9. Plus into minus is minus. X power 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next question. If L is equal to 4p square, B is equal to minus 3p square cube, H is equal to 2p cube, then find the value of L into base into height. L value is 4p square into B value is minus 3p square cube and H value is 2p cube. If you see here, first bring the constant together. 4 into minus 3 into 2 and variables together. P square into p cube and then q into q cube. Here 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Minus 24. P power 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7 and here 1 plus 3 is 4. Then expand. So here they given monomial. Monomial means expression which contain only one term. Monomial with polynomial. Polynomial means expression which contains two or more terms. So multiple the monomial with the polynomial. 3mn into n cube plus 3mn into minus 5m square n then 3mn into 7mn square equal to 3m 1 plus 3 is 4 n 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 3 5s are 15 plus into minus is minus and m power 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 plus 1 is 2 n power 2 then plus 3 7s are 21 m 1 plus 1 is 2 and n 1 plus 2 is 3. So here if you see the number has two signs, this term has two signs, so you have to multiply the sign. Plus into minus is minus 3m power 4 n power 4 minus 15m square n square plus 21m square n cube. Next question is x square with the polynomial, that is monomial with the polynomial plus monomial you have to multiply the polynomial then again monomial with the polynomial. So first we will take the first expression x square x plus y plus z is equal to x square into x is plus x square into y plus x square into z which is equal to, you have to add the power, 2 plus 1 is 3, here x square y plus x square y plus x square z. This is your first equation. Next take the second expression y square into x plus y square into y plus y square into z which is equal to xy square plus 2 plus 1 is 3 y cube plus y square z. This is your second equation. Next one with the third expression z square into x plus z square into minus y plus z square into minus z which is equal to x z square, here minus into plus is minus minus y z square, again minus into plus is minus z cube. This is your third expression. Now you have to arrange in order. First take and write all the equation, first, second and third, then write it in the order. First cube, x cube plus y cube minus az cube, then x square y plus x square z, then y square x xy square plus y square z, then z square x z square minus y z square. Next find the product of first two sum do as a homework. We'll move to the third one. Now if you see here, multiplication of binomial with binomial. So first m square you have to multiply with 5m square n square plus again m square into minus n square. The same way minus n into 5 m square n square plus minus n into minus n square. Now you know very well, according to the law of exponent, you have to add the power. Now 5, if no number is there, you have to assume as 1. 1 into 5 is 5 m. Here 2 plus 2 is 4 n square. Then plus m square n square plus into minus is minus plus 5 into 1 is 5 plus into minus is minus m square n 1 plus 2 is 3 plus minus into minus is plus n 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 5m power 4 n square minus into plus is minus m square n square plus into minus is minus 5 m square n cube plus n cube is your answer. Then fourth one, 3x minus 5 into 2x minus 1. So first you have to multiply 3 into x, then 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 plus into minus is minus into again 2 into x is 2x plus into minus is minus 2 into 1 is 2. Now if you see here, binomial with binomial. So multiple 3 into 2x, 3x into 2x plus again 3x into minus 2 plus with 15 minus 15 into 2x plus minus 15 into minus 2. Now multiple 3 2s are 6 x 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 3 2s are 6 plus into minus is minus x again plus 15 2s are 30 minus into plus is minus x plus 15 2s are 30 minus into minus is plus, which is equal to 6x square plus into minus is minus 6x plus into minus is minus 30x plus 30. If you see here, minus 6x minus 30x are like terms. So you can simplify. Minus and minus is plus. So 30 plus 6 is 36 and greater number sign as minus. So minus 36x plus 30. Find the missing term. 6xy into dash is equal to minus 12x cube y. So if you see here, you have to find the missing term. Bring this 6xy to your right hand side. If it is in the multiplication, you will get in the division by 6xy. So it's 6 table 2 times. Here x cube minus 1 into here y and y cancel. So your answer is 2x. 3 minus 1 is 2. So your answer is 2x square. Then to find the missing term, bring this left hand side to your right hand side. If it is in the multiplication, if you take to the another side, you have to divide it. Minus 15 m square n cube p. So here in 15 table 3 times. Then m 3 minus 2. Here n3 cancel. Then p 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3m 2 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1, and p is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So no need to write the 1. Your answer is 3m into p. Next, you have to find the missing term. So bring this 2y to your right hand side. 10x square y square minus 2xy plus 6y cube. If you bring it to the right hand side, you have to divide it each term by 2y. So if you cancel 5 times, so 5x square y already they given. We need only this term. 2 and 2 cancel, y and y cancel. So x is your missing term. Here in 2 table 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So your answer is already 3 is given. So y square. Next, match the following. Do as homework. Match the following. Do as homework. Then we'll move to the 8th question. A car moves at a uniform speed of x plus 30 km per hour. Find the distance covered by the car in y plus 2 hours. Hence, they itself given distance is equal to speed into time. So, what is the speed of the car? Speed is equal to x plus 30 km per hour. And time y plus 2 hours. Therefore, distance, we need to find the distance covered by the car. Distance is equal to speed into time. They itself given. So, speed is x plus 30 into time is y plus 2. So, if you multiple binomial with binomial, each term you have to multiple. X into y is xy plus x into 2 is 2x plus 30 into y is 30y. 30 into 2 is 60. So your answer is xy plus 2x plus 30y plus 60. Again I am repeat the homework question. Complete the following table. Do it in the book itself. And then in 4th question, first and second Roman number is your homework question. And in 5th one, first and second is the homework question. And then match the following. Do it in your book itself. Thank you students. Complete all the sums in your classwork note and submit for the correction.